An advanced evening routine featuring Skin Empowering Illuminator, enhancing skin's intelligence for radiance that grows with time. Start with 3 pumps of Le Serum, awakening skin to absorb the steps to follow, helping to activate its regenerative powers. On cleansed skin, start by applying the serum to the cheeks and the forehead, moving from the center outward, then gently sweeping it across the entire face. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Follow with lotion. Saturate the extra soft cotton pad with 3 pumps and glide onto skin in wide arcs over the cheeks, across the forehead, around the eyes. Moving from the center outward, sweep down the nose and around the mouth, repeating a total of 2 to 3 times. Instantly absorbed, radiantly dewy. The next step, emulsion, lightweight but nourishing, 2 pumps. Swept gently over skin. Vital, supple, evolving in radiance day by day.